Mphakathi uSamkhondo igama uTreasure Wathabethe ukhulumayo, convener umkhonto wesizwe party eMkhondo sub-region. Ngihamba noComrade Mfuqeni owu-coordinator umkhonto wesizwe party eMkhondo sub-region. Ngihamba namaqabane amakhomanda aphuma kuma-ward ahlukahlukene umkhonto wesizwe party eMkhondo sub-region. Comrades, namuhla sizosubmit ama-letter la kamasipala njengoba nazi ukuthi la kuhlaleni i-service delivery is very poor. Kunama-ward ahlukahlukene enaziyo ukuthi kokuqala wanamanzi njengo-ward 1, ward 2, ward 18 eSolimkhize, la umasipala ongazange usondele khona ukuthi unikeze umphakathi amanzi. Umphakathi walapha usuna 6 years unganamanzi. Comrades, indaba yaseSolimkhize iyasolveka, but ngenxa yobuvila bama-official akamasipala amanye asebenzela kamasipala kanye nobunye ubuholi obungama-politicians, sithola umphakathi waseSolimkhize unganawo amanzi. Sikhulumile-ke ne-Rand Water Management, yashiwo i-Rand Water Management yathi bona bayakhona ukuthi bayixazulule inkinga yamanzi eSolimkhize. Into nje abayidingayo iletha, incwadi from uMkhondo Local Municipality. Kusukela kudala-ke uMkhondo Local Municipality ungasondeli. Ngomhla ka-11 umphakathi waseSolimkhize wacela umnumzana uSipho ukuthi akakhulume noSpeaker wala ekhaya, ukhansela uNgwenya. Bakhuluma-ke wavuma ukuthi uzokhipha i-letter through u-acting municipal manager ukuthi bakhiphe le letter. Till today akuna letter ephumile. Yingakho-ke umphakathi sesisukumile ukuthi umasipala sicela ukuthi ukhiphe le letter in less than 7 days. Le letter kufuna ihanjiswe iye ku-Rand Water Management, bazokhona ukuthi bathole igunya lokuthi ba-connect a third pump ku-electrical panel esehlale from 2010 ingasebenzi. Mphakathi waseMkhondo akwazi ukuthi kune-electrical panel ehleli ekumele ngabe iyasetshenziswa ukuze umphakathi waseSolimkhize uthola amanzi. Njengoba sizela asikhulumeli-ke umphakathi waseSolimkhize kuphela, sine-ward 4 la esithole khona i-bodyguard ya-Chief Whip uDan Thwala idubula umhlali bebalwela amanzi, comrades, bebalwela amanzi, comrades. Yingakho sithi nase-ward 4 kuzodinga ukuthi sisondele sibuke ukuthi sixazulula kanjani. Siya-understanda and we've been informed ukuthi ukhansela uma bamcela amanzi ubatshela ukuthi abahambe baye ku-MK ubavotele i-MK. Lo khansela okumele kunguye ungabe ungamela umphakathi usuvale nalapha eclinic la umphakathi wase-ward 4 Enswephe labo uthola khona amanzi. Comrades, ukudeliver i-service akusiyo ukuthi mhlambe senzele i-favor, it's a must. So-ke sizosondela, siya-understanda umuhamba emphakathini bo-ward 9. E-ward 9 uthola ukuthi abantu baphuza amanzi ney'nkomo. We can't in a democratic country after 30 years sibe nama-situations afanayo. Yingakho si-MK party sithi asizukupholisa maseko, silinde 2026 sizawusondela khona manje emphakathini ngoba sasithembizile ukuthi after ama-election sizawusondela. Comrades, thina ngeke silinde 2026, umasipala awusukume. Uma ngabe kunama-officials angawenza umsebenzi awarelease wahamba ekhaya, asikwazi ukuba nama-officials asenkayo while umphakathi ulala unganamanzi. Esibili, incwadi esiyifakile comrades, incwadi yama-sites. Comrades, la eMkhondo sinabantu abaqhashile for more than 20 years, for more than 10 years, for more than 15 years. Sinabotishela, sinamaphoyisa, sinama-jail warden, sinama-nurse, sinabantu abasebenza bo-Impact, abasebenza bo-Kangra, abasebenza everywhere kuma-private companies. Sinabantu abayisebenzayo bafuna ukwakha babe nendawo la bahlala khona but abakhona. The last time umasipala ukhipha ama-site it was 2018 abantu aba-apply aba-qualify they were 5,000 but ama-site akhishwa kuba 110. Comrades, la eMkhondo umhlaba omningi within the parameters it's called peri-urban kuma-buffer zone u-owner umasipala uthola ukuthi la kule mhlaba kunamahlathi, la mahlathi anabo 8 years but awa-maintain. So that one in terms of return on investment is i-waste. Sithi thina uMkhondo Local Municipality awukhipha ama-site ukhiphele labantu afuna ukuzakhela, ngoba noma ngabe ufuna ukuyothenga indlu ngeke uyithenga indlu eMkhondo edolobheni noma bekuphi. Indlu la on average costa 1.5 million, okusho ukuthi ufuna uhole 40,000 or 50,000 upwards. Uma ngabe ungitishela kusho ukuthi uzohlala emqashweni for 15 years. Asikwazi comrades in a democratic country la sinomhlaba khona. Sithi umasipala through Department of Town Planning awukhiphe i-special development framework, basikhombisa umhlaba o-vacant, benza ama-township establishment, bangakhi banikeza abantu umhlaba bazakhele. Uma ngabe ukhokha 6,000 5,000 every month, leyo mali ungayithatha uyi-investe kulowo mhlaba noma ungazakhela u4 room kodwa uma uvuka ejaldini elithi wena uba nesizotha uphinde uhlonipheke emphakathini. So yingakho sumkhonto wesizwe remember ukuthi thina sine-people's mandate asinayo i-manifesto. One of the pillars of umkhonto wesizwe is the distribution of land without compensation, expropriation of land without compensation. Umhlaba awubuyele abantu emphakathini. Yingakho sithi abantu abasondele sizoyidiscussa le issues then. We can't ukuthi umhlaba wakhisha 2018 kwaphuma 110 sites 6 years later kuthulekile. It can't be, comrades. It can't be. Yethi sithi singabahlali basemzansi but akukho nokode si-ownayo. Siqhashile abelungu bakha ama-flat left right and center siqhasha ngenkani. Ukuqhasha kufuna kube optional. Uyabona umuntu ozosebenza one-contract loyo muntu ngeke athenge isite uzoqhasha for that duration but umuntu oqhashwe permanently emkhondo akanikeza isite azakhele. Uma ngabe sifa la siya abantwana sobashiya emqhashweni. It can't be, comrades. We need to be in a position ukuthi sidemande umasipala. Uma ngabe umasipala uyahluleka sizowulekelela thina sinama professionals angakhona ukuthi enze land audit. Sinama professionals angakhona ukuthi enze rezoning. Sinama professionals angenza everything ehlulwayo lo masipala. So yingakho sithi kuloko okubahlulayo they must come forward basho ukuthi la siyahluleka saqhasha abantu abangakhona umsebenzi then sizokhona ukuthi singenelele sumkhonto wesizwe. Mandla awethu.